trading is my business. Okay, that's how I view it, guys. I run a trading business, and because I look at it like that, I take every decision very seriously and very calculated. Right now, we're going to look at how I make business decisions, and also, guys, we're going to look at things that are hurting your business, right? Your trading business. Okay, so stay till the end of the vid, guys. I'm going to explain exactly what I mean, and also I'm going to give you all of my trade ideas for today. And the Aussie dollar is bloody strong. Okay, so let's start with this idea of trading as a business. Now, this is how you must view it. Okay, so many new traders that I meet almost treat it like a hobby. Right? They're like, oh, I'm playing with this strategy, or I'm playing with this idea, or I've changed this week, or, you know, all of these things that it's just, I don't want to hear. It's like the worst thing you can tell me, right? Because that just says to me, it's almost like a game you're just playing. It's a hobby. Yeah, it's a side thing. Okay, now you must stop that thinking immediately. It's a business that you're running, and if you want to do trading full time, right, you need to think of it like that, as your business. You're building a business. And then when I hear words like I'm playing with this idea, or I'm trying this, or that trade didn't matter, I didn't have much money on it, or, you know, this is just everything wrong with new traders, right? So think of it like a business, not a hobby, first and foremost, right? Now, the other problem, let's say problem or mistake traders make is money, right? Now, most of you probably have a full-time job, right? And you have the security blanket of a monthly salary, right? I think, should I say this? I think monthly salaries are the killers of creativity. You'll never do anything. Yeah, you just get your 9 to 5, get your salary every month. You will never do anything different, right? Because you become reliant on that salary. It's a creative killer. That's a side point. That's how I view it. But when it comes to trading, right, most of you have a full-time job and you trade on the side. No problem. Still trade like it's a business. But also, the problem is with the money for it. So, for example, right, you place a trade, and let's say you're starting out and you're just doing something small like $50 a trade. Right? Yeah, if the trade goes in your direction, you make $50. If it doesn't, you lose $50, right? But you know, you're earning, I don't know, $50,000 a month, right? So this $50 that you place on each trade isn't taken seriously. So when you have a losing trade, you're like, oh well, I've got my salary coming in. Yeah, or I've had a bad week. I've had 6 bad trades. That's $300. No problem. I've got my salary coming in, right? Got to stop doing that. Every trade must be treated as if, you know, your life depended on it. It's a big extreme, but you know what I mean? It's got to be taken very seriously. And the dollar amount is irrelevant. Right? Separate your mind from money. It's about percentages. Okay? So like with your business, right? You're about increasing turnover or whatever it is. It's about percentages, guys, not actual dollar amounts. Okay? So these are a couple of things that you must think about when you're trading. It's not a hobby, right? Take the money seriously, although you're getting a salary. Treat it like a business, okay? And with a business, guys, you've got to make business decisions, right? And any business decision, you would, you know, any decision in life, really, not just a business decision, but you're going to gather information and data to make the best informed business decision you can. And that's how I view every single trade that I take. It's a business decision, and I must collate as much data or as much information as I can to place a trade. So now, guys, we're going to look at a trade that I've literally just taken and put in the VIP Trading Academy. Now, before I show you this and all the reasons I take this trade and the business decisions I make, if you're enjoying this, please subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button and smash the like button, guys. Also, don't forget to join our trading community, right? If you want to have a chit chat with like-minded traders, share knowledge, ideas, then come join our free Discord channel. It's free. Come join it. If you want more than that, guys, and you want access to my trade signals, you want access to my strategies and tutorials, and you want direct access to me, as in you can ask me questions, then please come join our VIP Trading Academy. And right now, guys, if you sign up with one of our preferred brokers and deposit some funds into your own trading account, we will give you free access to the VIP Trading Academy. All right, check it all out. It's all in the video description. Right, so a business decision with every trade. Now, a trade I've just taken is Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar, right? So I'm going to look for confluence. I'm going to look for reasons to take a trade. If you was a business and you were looking for reasons to enter the UK market, right? You're going to need lots of reasons to enter that market. I'm going to need lots of reasons to enter this trade, right? It's no different. It's a business decision. Now, let's start with the weekly, because that's why I do a top-down approach, guys. I look at weekly, daily, H4, H1. I look at these because each time frame gives me data, gives me information to make the best business decision, right? So let's start with the weekly chart. And you can clearly see, right, we're in an uptrend. Okay, so we're in an uptrend. So tick, there's my first reason, piece of confluence. Yeah, we're at the bottom of this trend line. Excuse my drawing of my pen. Okay, tick, we're at support, right? We've got a huge bullish weekly candle, right? Tick, another reason. And we've got lots of room to move into back up to this level of resistance, if not this level. So we've got room to move into tick. Right, so we've got trend, we've got support, we've got candlestick, we've got room to move into, lots of reasons to buy the weekly chart. Okay, there's my first piece of data. Second piece of data is going to come from the day chart, right? So what are we looking at here? Same thing. So trend, right, is in an uptrend. Okay, this is where we're at. We're in an uptrend. Yeah, we're getting higher lows, higher highs. Okay, so we're in an uptrend. Tick, right? We're above the moving average 20, which is what I also like. And we're at this support level in here, right? So tick. We got a nice big bullish, not super bullish, but bullish. That is a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. Yeah, because it engulfs more than half of this candle. Tick. All right, so again, tick, tick, tick. So daily and weekly have said I can buy this pair. Okay, so that's what I plan to do. That's what I've done. I've entered this trade. Now, if we drop down to the H4, okay, so the only negative here is I would say is H4 structure. So price so far, you know, it's a little bit, is that the last, you know, are we getting higher lows? I'm going to suggest we are. But what I'd really like to see is a break of this level just to confirm this uptrend. All right. So we're still above the moving average 20. We've broken above this. You can see this grey support level. Okay. So yeah, a couple of ticks, shall we say, right? We're not with trend. Okay. Now, if we drop down to the H1, right, this is tick, 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 okay, because we are in an uptrend, right, and we got that break of that H4 level that I was talking about with this candle. So we've had a break of an important level with a very bullish H1 candle. We're in an uptrend. Okay, and we're above the moving average 20. We're literally bouncing off the moving average 20. So tick, tick, tick. All right. So each time frame has given me more information to make my decision. And where I've entered is here. Okay, we got a break and then we got a retest. I've entered at 0.9089. Okay, and I plan to take price. I'm put my stop below this low. Okay, and then okay, let's have a look at the trade actually. Here we go. So here's my trade that I took earlier, right? So you can see here, guys, Aussie dollar CAD. Yeah, and this is the trade that I've taken. Yeah, I took it earlier this morning. This is my local time and I'm in this trade. Okay, so let's remove that just to show you I did take, and this is all my trade signals, guys. All right, and I'm in this trade. Okay, and I'm looking to take price, if we do zoom out to the H4, potentially all the way back up to here, although I will secure some profit before then. I'm also, right, once you've made your business decision, you also need to be aware of potential threats to your business decision. And that is this level here, right? This 9,1000. So if price gets up to here, I'm going to see how price reacts here. And I have another business decision to make. I might take some profit here. We shall see. But this last resistance level, is a threat to my business decision, if you like, if you keep using the analogy. All right. So yeah, Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. That's my first trade idea for today, guys. And I am in it. Today is all about Aussie dollar strength. Okay. Aussie dollar is stronger than Arnold Schwarzenegger and Bruce Lee combined, right? So Aussie dollar CAD. I'm also looking at Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. Okay. So again, if we can start with the weekly chart, guys, and you can see it's very similar, right? We're at this trend line. We've got a nice bullish reaction. We're in a weekly uptrend, okay? Drop to the day chart. And this candle actually broke daily structure. So let me explain, guys, right? So price came down. This is the last high, all right? And then we sort of done this. But this high was holding because this wick closed back inside. But then yesterday, this candle broke both these wicks. We're now in an uptrend, okay? And I'm just looking to take price potentially back up to these highs, right? If we drop down to the H4, and we'll just stick with the H4 because all I'm looking for is this, right? If we're with H4 structure, and price comes back down to this grey zone, we know we've got a really nice level that we can buy from, okay? Because that daily candle is so bullish, it might not retrace all the way to here. So I'm also equally happily doing is just letting price, come back down to the moving average 20. I'm also consider buying from here. All right, so plan the execution of your business decision. And this is what I'm doing, right? Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar buys. I'm also looking at Aussie dollar, US dollar, but I prefer Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar, and Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, just because of this top wick, right? This is a bit of a doji, but I still like Aussie dollar, US dollar to take price up to here, but prefer Aussie dollar CAD, Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. And again, with this one, guys, we just I'd like to see a break of this level, right? Price has come down. You can see it sort of stuttering at this level. We get a break. Yeah, we can start buying Aussie dollar, US dollar. All right, guys, so it's all about Aussie dollar strength today. Those are my trade ideas. If you've enjoyed the vid, please subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button and smash that like button. Don't forget, we've got the free Discord, we've got the VIP Trading Academy, and you could also get free entry right now with one of our preferred brokers. Have a great trading day, and I'll see you later, guys.